Hi guys, nandito ako sa palengke. Palengke ng Yaumati. Yaumati, Hong Kong. Ayan guys, ang daming tao. Oh. Daming prutas guys. Oh, sobrang init. Grabe, ang init dito. Yan. Ang bango ng durian. Malayo pa, naamoy ko na yung durian. Hindi yan, durian. May watermelon. Maraming maano dito guys. Yan, naglalakad tayo. Hanap tayo ng ganda ng mga bulaklak. Wow. Dito banda, mga grapes dito banda. Yan. Init. Hindi masyadong maraming tao ngayon. Wala masyadong mamalingki. Sunday pa naman sana ngayon. Ay mga tao na masyal ngayon, hindi na sila namalingki kasi family day ngayon. Today is Sunday, it's a family day. Ito yung daming prutas. Sa kabila daming prutas. May mga bulaklak. I'm going to take a train now. I'm going to Central. I'm going to Central to go to the church. Today is Sunday, so I will go to the church. Super hot. Grabing init. Hindi makaya ang init. Magpayong ako, hindi makaya ang init. Ang sakit sa balat. Oh. Grabe, ang tapang ng init Ang init ng panahon. Super duper hot today. Tawid tayo guys. Punta ako dito guys, may nag-ano ng mga alahas.
Hello.
Hello. I'm just looking.
Okay. Hello.
Is this brand new or second hand?
Mix.
Next, there's a brand new under.
Brand new is like only the gold,
Only the gold.
and like this one only gold, and this one with diamond with J is second hand. But even though they are brand new, but the price is still
Is
like
still-
second hand price.
Second hand price.
Like second hand price?
Yes,
Uh,
not like
you
it's
don't
second
have
hand
watch
price.
her, only the jewelry.
Watch?
Yeah.
Watch, no.
Oh, no.
Watch no.
不要给小朋友。